अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, माय अपॉलॉजीज। हम थोड़ा सा डिले हो गया है, हमारा सेशन थोड़ा टेक्निकल इश्यूज की वजह से हम उसको टाइमली स्टार्ट नहीं कर पाए। माय अपॉलॉजीज अगेन। सोनल इज हियर, वी विल स्टार्ट। Sonal, without wasting any more time, thank you for joining us. Thank you for taking time out. Please, you can start. Uh,
Assalamualaikum and very warm welcome everybody, and congratulations for making it to the cohort. I'm sure it's a very mixed experience so far. Some people are very excited, some people are already thinking of the end objective we are going to achieve, inshallah. So a very pretty much mixed. And whenever we are talking about a mixed feeling, or when we are talking about a spectrum or a space where people have a very different or a mixed experience, that's where naturally the idea of wellness and well-being comes in. So we are going to spend like around 1 hour together, and majorly exploring that how when you are embarking a journey, which you have already been in this journey, and how do you bring a sense of self in this journey, how do you bring a balance to further fuel your journey of the startup or of the entrepreneur journey and your own journey as a founder. So we are going to keep this session interactive. So I'm going to request everyone, those who can turn the camera on, please turn the camera on. And those who are like, please feel free wherever it is required to unmute. And if you cannot unmute and speak, definitely write in the chat box to keep this conversation going. So to start with, I would really like everyone to take a minute to reflect that like if you have to give a metaphor to your founder's journey, and be it if your journey started just now or maybe you started 2 years ago or any time, but if you have to give a metaphor to this journey, that how your journey is, what will you pick? And when we say metaphors, it's very simple, किसी चीज़ से तशबीह देना. So अगर आपको आपकी इस फाउंडर इस स्टार्टअप जर्नी को बयान करना हो किसी मेटाफोर से, किसी चीज़ से तशबीह देके, तो आप अपनी जर्नी को किस चीज़ की तशबीह देंगे? So I'll request if you can unmute and share our name and a metaphor to your journey, or you can simply write in the chat box as well, however you are comfortable. So take a moment to reflect and see how it is. How's your journey so far? अगर कोई आपसे पूछता है कि यार how is the experience of being the startup space and being the founder, how will you explain your journey to them? Rehan, I see you have unmuted. Would you like to start?
Yes. हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम रेहान हैदर है और बाय प्रोफेशन आई एम मिक्स्ड। गिव मी
Yeah,
वन
sorry.
सेकंड गिव मी वन सेकंड by profession I related to media. I'm a media professional. Beside that I was working for education department also. I have worked in Oman and Dubai also. Was working with the Indian school and other international schools. And when I moved back to Karachi, I was working with Business Recorder and other media outlets and some schools also. So मुझे ये लगा कि आफ्टर कोविड से पहले भी और कोविड के बाद जो है, एक तो जो चीज़ें बेहतर हुई हैं और कुछ चीज़ें ख़राब हुई हैं, उनमें बेहतर ये हुआ कि लोग एनीवे ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन की तरफ गए, उन्होंने इंटरेस्ट लिए और उन्होंने उसको एटलीस्ट एक्सपीरियंस किया कि ये चीज़ जो है ये वर्केबल है, ये वर्क करती है। एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yeah, you are.
या सो उस एक्सपीरियंस को मैंने कुछ स्कूल में मेरी भी जो है वो मीडिया आउटलेट से कुछ जॉब जो है वो ख़त्म हो गई थी, तो मेरे पास कुछ स्किल्स थी, कुछ वेब डेवलपमेंट की और प्लस एजुकेशन का जो एक्सपीरियंस था उसको मैंने मिक्स किया। मैंने एक एलएमएस बनाया और एक स्कूल से बात की और उन्होंने फौरी तौर पर उसको एक्सेप्ट किया और फिर मैंने उनके साथ काम करना स्टार्ट किया। उनके स्कूल में मैंने एक स्टूडियो बनाया
Wonderful.
और फिर मैंने टीचर्स को
Rihan, I'm going to add a question to your journey. So, आपकी जो पूरी जर्नी रही
या
है, तो इसको किसी चीज़ की तशबीह देनी हो, um, how will you explain? Like, how is your journey? Is it a bed of roses? How is it? It is like how many ups and downs
इट
are
वाज
there? How you're going to explain it?
या इट वाज टफ। मतलब ये कि मुझे ये लगा था कि ठीक है, जिस तरीके से जितनी आसानी से मैंने एलएमएस बना लिया है तो लोगों को इस पे कन्वर्ट करना बहुत इजी होगा, लोग बहुत खुश होंगे, लेकिन पीपल डोंट एक्सेप्ट चेंज इजीली। तो मतलब ये कि टीचर्स ने भी बहुत इतना इजीली ने इसको नहीं लिया, नई चीज़ें सीखना। और फिर जब हम पेरेंट्स के पास गए कि आप इस तरीके से एजुकेशन का ये वो करें, तो वो इतना ईज़ी नहीं था उनको कन्विंस करना, टेक्नोलॉजी पे लाना, तो बहुत ईज़ी नहीं था। बहरहाल हमने 3 साल जो है स्कूल के साथ मैंने रह के ये काम किया और फिर आफ्टर दैट जब मैंने ये देखा कि ड्रॉप आउट्स जो हैं स्कूल से वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं, तो उस पे फिर मैंने थोड़ा-सा वर्क किया, रिसर्च की, तो उसमें ये है कि किसी के अगर 3 बच्चे हैं, 4 बच्चे हैं और वो जो है वो फीस में हर साल इज़ाफ़ा हो रहा है, प्लस ये कि कन्वेंस पेट्रोल के इज़ाफ़े की वज़ह से जो उनका जो कन्वेंस है, जो उनके ट्रांसपोर्ट है, उसमें इज़ाफ़ा हो रहा है। यूनिफ़ॉर्म्स हैं, बुक्स हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें। तो फिर मुझे आइडिया आया कि क्यों ना मैं एक जो है वो ऑनलाइन स्कूल अपना जो है वो स्टार्ट करूँ, जिसकी फ़ीस जो है
रेहान,
वो बहुत कम हो। जी,
सॉरी टू कट यू बट इट वाज रिक्वेस्टेड कि वन लाइनर कोई स्टेटमेंट अगर आप अपनी जर्नी को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए बता सके, क्योंकि वी हैव
इट
टू
वाज़
मूव ऑन
अट्रैक्टिव
विद द
बट इट
सेशन।
वाज़ नॉट
Yeah,
ईज़ी।
but
इट वाज़ अट्रैक्टिव
yeah.
बट इट वाज़ नॉट सो ईज़ी, इट वाज़ वेरी टफ।
Thank you. We have response in the chat box as well, and thank you so much, Rehan and Arif, to start the conversation. Other people can join in as soon as you are able to find that. How would you like to explain your journey to other people? But I'm going to open the floor and ask you, like, when you are in this community, when you are in the startup community, what is the current feel? जो हम बहुत जेन जी लैंग्वेज में कहते हैं ना कि वाइब कैसी है, हाउ इज़ द वाइब, हाउ इज़ द एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ बीइंग इन द founders community, what is the general feel in the air? For example, when we talk about social sector right now, we all know there are funding cuts. So a general feel is very stressed. What is for you? How is it in the startup community? What is the general environment and feel in your own community? You can, of course, write in the chat box. I can edit it for you here as well. जस्ट थिंक, जस्ट रिफ्लेक्ट कि जहाँ जिस सिस्टम में मैं ऑपरेट करता हूँ, जिस सिस्टम में मैं सुबह शाम नेविगेट करता हूँ, कम्युनिकेट करता हूँ, व्हाट डू आई रिसीव फ्रॉम दैट सिस्टम? एंड रिसीव से मुराद है नॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, मे बी यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज नेटवर्क, बट unconsciously what do you receive? If you have a conversation with another founder, what is the feel of that conversation? Do you feel positivity? Do you feel hope? Do you feel anxiety? What is it there? Saad, would you like to add something?
अच्छा, अब आपका जो सवाल है वो ये है कि हम जब हम अपने फेलो फाउंडर से या हम अपने को फाउंडर के साथ जब सिंक करते हैं उसके ऊपर आप चाह रहे हैं
Mm-hmm.
कैसा रिस्पॉन्स
How
मिलता है?
is the environment? How is the environment in the startup community? Naveed has mentioned is scary.
अच्छा, इन्वायरमेंट जब तक आपके पास फंड्स हैं, चीज़ें हैं, इधर आप बूट स्टेप पर चल रहे हैं या फंडिंग पर चल रहे हैं, तो आपका इन्वायरमेंट बहुत ज़बरदस्त रहता है। जब आपके
Mm.
पास चीज़ रिसोर्सेज कम होने लग जाते हैं तो आपको जो है ना फिक्र होने लग जाती है कि यार मतलब हम किस तरीके से चीज़ों को टेकल करें, कैसे हैंडल करें। और उसके बाद जो सिचुएशन थोड़ी सी टफ होना शुरू हो जाती है, स्ट्रेस बिल्ड
Would
होना शुरू
you
होता है।
would you call it uncertain? Is this uncertainty?
अनसर्टेनिटी नहीं होती है, बट इसके अंदर ये है कि जो इनिशियल प्लानिंग होती है उसके अंदर ये एक चीज़ होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि बास काफ़ी सारे स्टार्टअप्स जो है वो बंद इसी वजह से हो जाते हैं कि यार उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत हाई होती हैं, राइट।
Hmm.
अब जब एक्सपेक्टेशंस इतनी हाई होती हैं लेकिन रिजल्ट उतना नहीं मिलता, हर किसी के साथ ये प्रॉब्लम होता है कि यार हम अगर एक एक चीज़ बना लेंगे और उसको बना के मार्केट में लॉन्च करेंगे तो मार्केट में तबाही हो जाएगी। जैसे चैट जीपीटी ने मार्केट आके 2 दिन में 1 दिन में मार्केट तबाह कर दी। इस तरीके से हर किसी का माइंडसेट यही होता है कि यार मेरा प्रोडक्ट बनेगा और मार्केट में जाके वो तबाही मचाएगा। बट वो जब प्रोडक्ट बनता है मार्केट में जब आता है तो उसको जब पता चलता है कि यार मेरे से तो बहुत बड़े बड़े प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में पहले बैठे हुए हैं,
Right,
राइट,
thank you.
फिर वो वाली चीज़ें जो है ना वो खत्म हो
Yeah.
जाती
Thank you, Saad, for adding. So I get that from Saad, like lack of planning, where study of the market, research. So जितने responses अभी तक आए हैं, so let's say stress, scary, daily hustle, lack of planning, and somewhere uncertainty as well. कि आज आपके पास fund है, you're growing, tomorrow somebody else will come or maybe bring another bigger idea. So वो uncertainty all the time in the air रहती है. So when we live in the environment जहाँ पे आप most of the time operate हो रहे हैं, जिसके अंदर एक जो common feeling है, वो ज़्यादातर उसके जो आपके emotions को या आपके nervous system को calm नहीं होने देता है. So जितनी भी ये सारा feel है in the environment, in the community, वो कहीं ना कहीं nervous system को all the time activate रखता है. So what we have to do, like, as a founder, as an entrepreneur, as someone who is in operating or working in the system, जहाँ पे nervous system all the time is activated, where you're not able to find that how do you balance it. It is very important to bring a sense of joy in this work. So I'm sure when you all started, आप लोगों ने अपने journey जब start की होगी, आपने जब अपने cohort की applications लिखी होंगी to be incubated at NIC, एक पैशन enthusiasm something is there. So often what happens कि जब हम इस किस्म के environment में होते हैं, one thing which we all miss out, that in the larger canvas of all of this, joy also exists. So what brings joy in your startup journey? And I would really appreciate responses from everyone. इसको chat में आप type करना शुरू कर दें. But think about, like, what brings joy in my everyday founder's life. And what is your sense of joy? क्या चीज़ है जो joy लेके आता है? It could be as small as talking to someone. It could be as big as, like, securing a funding or building a partnership. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Customer satisfaction, growth, other people as well. Start thinking. This is a very important question. What brings joy to your founders or your startup journey? When customer starts using your product, स्मॉल अचीवमेंट. नवीद, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सोचा जा सकता है कि वो स्मॉल अचीवमेंट्स कैसी हैं. मनी, ऑफ कोर्स. यासिर, अचीवमेंट्स अगेन आई वुड से कि थिंक किस किस्म की अचीवमेंट्स. सो वन थिंग इज कि अगर हम कोई भी काम कर रहे हैं, और Essen, thank you for sharing, thinking about how it will benefit the clients or the change it will create. So one thing is that whenever we are doing some work, और उसके अंदर ह्यूमन ड्राइव में से, मतलब जो भी इंडिकेटर है, टू फील जॉयस, टू फील ग्रोथ, अगर उसका सेंस मिसिंग है, सो वी आर ऑपरेटिंग इन एवरीडे फ्लो. बट चाहे उसके बाद मेरे पास फंडिंग भी होगी तो आई विल नॉट बी मोटिवेटेड इनफ. So a lot of founders, when they start their journey, they have a sense of joy in their journey. कि यार ये इतने लोग इस प्रोडक्ट को लेने लग जाएंगे, इतने लोग इस एप्लीकेशन को यूज़ करेंगे, इससे ये इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट होगा, आई गेट टू एक्सपीरियंस दिस चेंज. तो उस सेंस, उस विजुअलाइजेशन के साथ हमारी जर्नी स्टार्ट होती है. एंड दैट ब्रिंग्स अ लॉट ऑफ मोटिवेशन, compassion, and drive to move forward, and money as well in that, a very important variable in this. But as soon as we go in the journey, और जब हमारी जर्नी का सेंस सिर्फ इन उस पे रह जाता है कि स्कैरी है, लैक ऑफ प्लानिंग है, जब हम सुनते हैं कोई स्टार्टअप, कोई बड़ा स्टार्टअप बंद हो गया, जब हम सुनते हैं कोई फंडिंग कट्स हो गए, कोई नए टैक्सेशंस लग गए, नए कट्स लग गए ऑन योर बिजनेसेस और एनीथिंग, सो वहाँ पे दिस सेंस ऑफ जॉय ये फेड होने लगता है. सो वहाँ पे या इतना हम प्रोग्रेस और इतना हम ग्रोथ में जाते हैं कि इन द बिगनिंग द थिंग्स विच वर ब्रिंगिंग द जॉय बिकम्स एवरीडे थिंग. सो अगर शुरू में किसी एक कस्टमर ने मेरा प्रोडक्ट लिया और वो जॉय लेके आता था, और मेरी जर्नी इतनी आगे बढ़ी है वेयर आई हैव लॉस्ट अ सेंस ऑफ जॉय इवन इन दैट अचीवमेंट, वहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि अ लॉट ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, नॉट जस्ट नेशनली बट ग्लोबली एज वेल, डिस्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग फंडिंग, डिस्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग a good human resource in the team, will start fading away. Why? Because the core purpose from where you started उससे एक disconnect होने लगता है. So one thing which is very important to keep a balance in your journey is to every day think that why I started what I started. And try to connect to that base, to that core. आप जब इस incubation में इस वर्ल्ड में एंटर हो रहे हैं आई यूल गेट टू हियर अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग्स. हो सकता है किसी और की सक्सेस इज़ वेरी इंटिमिडेटिंग इन द बिगनिंग. maybe you feel the pressure of keep doing, maybe you feel pressure of working 24/7. So in that hustle, keep reminding him why I started and how my journey and my joy may look different from other people. So that sense and bringing that sense and keeping that sense alive is super super important. And when this sense is not there, so we often face burnout. जो burnout की एक misconception है वो ये कि burnout बहुत time के बाद होता होगा. ऐसा नहीं है. Burnout can even happen on your very day one of the journey. It can happen after 5 years as well. But generally क्या burnout होता है? A lack of motivation है, exhaustion है, detachment है, frustration है, a lot of negative emotion. जहाँ पे आप खुद को shut off नहीं कर पा रहे. So even when you are outside of your working hours, you are continuously thinking about it. You are continuously scrolling about funding or any other resources, any other application or anything. So वहाँ पे you are not able to detach. You are not able to claim your very me time जहाँ पे आप खुद को refuel कर सकें, खुद का ख्याल ना रखना. So a lot of different things which can cause burnout. बट जहाँ पे हम बर्नआउट की बात करते हैं, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये बर्नआउट इज़ नॉट अ रेगुलर स्ट्रेस. लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि आज आपने कोई तनाव महसूस किया और कल वो नहीं होगा. बर्नआउट कुड बी a very constant feeling as well. Burnout could also be for few hours only. But it's just like I feel an environment जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि you have a sense of scarcity, जहाँ पे आपको लगता है things are not working out, I do not have enough resources, I'm not doing well. So वो तनाव से बहुत different है, stress से बहुत different है. It is very different. It will constantly, despite of having resources, give you a sense of scarcity. So जहाँ पे भी हम बात करते हैं कि किसी की life में a sense of abundance, like even if you have small, you feel it is a lot, versus even if you have a lot and you feel it is not enough. So whenever there is burnout, आपका sense of scarcity बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, जहाँ पे आपको हर चीज़ में कमी लगने लगेगी. But right now, how do you feel? We will start a poll. I'm going to start a poll here. How do you feel कि आपका जो है वो balance कैसा है? 1 second. Okay, I think I do not have rights to start the poll, but it's fine. I'll bring this back. So on the scale of 1 to 10, how balanced do you feel between your work and your personal life? A chat box where everyone can write and without shying. It's okay. Nobody will say कि इसका scale ऐसा था. So take your time, give a honest answer कि on the scale of 1 to 10, 1 से 10 तक पे आपको क्या लगता है आपका balance कैसा है? And of course, the the lower side it means is really bad, and then the upper side it means it's quite balanced. You keep your boundaries, you take your time off, and it is fine. I think the entire purpose of this session is to give an honest reflection on our journey and to create resources. So thank you for your honesty, everybody. So one of the thing जब हम स्टार्टअप फाउंडर्स से बात कर रहे होते हैं एंड वी डू लाइफ कोचिंग, सो एक जो रीज़न निकल के आता है जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा हमें लगता है कि क्यों बैलेंस नहीं हो रहा होता, देयर आर वन थिंग यू आर नॉट एबल टू डेलीकेट द वर्क, जहाँ पे आपको ऐसा लगता है कि the startup, the innovation, the creation is your baby and you are supposed to take care of it. So वहाँ पे you feel very hesitant to give responsibility, delegate the task, or you are too passionate that you are not able to switch off. You feel like कि नहीं मुझे हर वक्त इसके ऊपर काम करना है, इसको grow करना है. So there are different reasons that why you can feel that balance is out. जब हम इन different reasons के ऊपर बात करते हैं, so there are very easy techniques which you can bring in your life. So सबसे जो आसान है वो time management का है. So this is my question to those who scored yourself 4 out of 10 or 6 out of 10, I would really like you to ask, if you can unmute as well, you can write in the chat box as well. Okay, what are your current challenges of managing the time? क्या लगता है आपको क्यों आप टाइम को करंटली मैनेज नहीं कर पाते? व्हाट आर द रीज़न? और वो रीज़न बहुत ऑब्वियस भी हो सकते हैं, वो अनकॉन्शियस भी हो सकते हैं। सो फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर फील इन द एनवायरनमेंट इज़ स्कैरी, तो अनकॉन्शियसली मैं हर वक्त काम करना चाह रही होंगी, राइट? बट कुछ टाइम पे हो सकता है कि नहीं, मेरे पास एक डेडलाइन है एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट एबल टू डेडिकेट अ टास्क। सो करंटली आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग, करंट चैलेंजेस क्या है आपके टाइम मैनेजमेंट के? लॉन्ग वर्किंग आवर्स, एंड ये लॉन्ग वर्किंग आवर्स क्यों है? इज इट लाइक यू आर नॉट डेडिकेटिंग, समबडी एल्स इज नॉट विलिंग टू पिच इन? क्यों है ये लॉन्ग वर्किंग आवर्स? Anaba, thank you for your honesty, for availing more opportunities. True. What else? Anybody else? What are your current challenges? More responsibilities? सो कुछ जो हमारे टाइम मैनेजमेंट के चैलेंजेस होंगे, यू विल नेचुरली सी एंड फील कि दो सम आर कमिंग फ्रॉम अ पॉजिटिव ड्राइवर and some will be coming from a negative driver. So negative driver, again, when you feel ke all the task has to be done by me, I cannot dedicate, I cannot trust, I have to double check, and में मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा तो मैं ही कर लूँ. But some will be coming from a very positive drivers, जो कि initially are positive, but later on it will cause you a burnout. So for example, when you say that to look for more opportunities, so something which you already have in a plate, you feel is not enough, yeah, I have to fetch in more in my plate. So उसके चक्कर में क्या होता है कि you are activated, which is very promising in the beginning, but later on जाके वही चीज़ burnout cause कर सकती है, जहाँ पे demotivation, sense of lack of opportunities or lack of achievement can happen. So slowing down, and how do we slow down the pace, is very important. Or Yasser trying to do multiple tasks but mess up, yeah. So जहाँ पे हम बहुत कुछ अचीव करने की या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, and everything is left in between, सब कुछ आधा आधा, जैसे हम बच्चों के देखते हैं ना कि बच्चों को जब बच्चे खाना देखते हैं, so they take a bite of everything but they are not able to finish anything. वो बिस्किट का भी एक बाइट लेंगे, वो एप्पल का भी एक बाइट लेंगे, and then they will start handing over, कभी अम्मी को, कभी आसपास में कोई भी है कि अब ये मुझे नहीं खाना. So it's a very similar feeling where we want to taste everything, but then it can end up in a very messy situation where maybe sometimes other people are not even ready to take it up कि नहीं, अब ये mess up हो गया तो अब मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. So it's a very, very similar situation when a child starts eating. But the good thing and the good news is that there are different techniques which can help you to bring the balance in that life, and which can help you to also, like, address the stressor. कोई भी stressor हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जो अपना जॉब छोड़ के स्टार्टअप जर्नी स्टार्ट करते हैं, सो दे हैव टू प्रूव एंड दे हैव टू मेक श्योर दे हैव इनफ इनकम. दैट कुड बी a very positive reason to start, but at the same time it is a biggest stressor कि इतना बड़ा stress है that this it is not allowing you to switch off. And this could be a case in many people, like for many people this could be the case, जहाँ पे हो सकता है कि आपके पास heavy investment आपने डाली है, and that investment could be your biggest stressor in balancing your work and life. And there is no shame in saying, अक्सर जो जो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है, which is like a sense of shame, जब भी सेंस ऑफ शेम एसोसिएट किया जाता है with the vulnerability in the startup world, वहाँ पे you will see that a lot of people without even taking a life coaching will step out of the startup world. So I think one of the beautiful part of starting this journey is to also embrace that, embrace that you will have a vulnerable moment. And the more you are going to become aware about the vulnerability and the shame associated it, the more resources you will have. जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि यार मैंने बहुत दिल से, बहुत पैशनेट होके ये स्टार्ट किया, इन्वेस्टेड एवरीथिंग, but I feel there is no need of this in the market. Yeah, market is not ready for this, and this is the biggest expression of vulnerability. But as soon as you become aware of it, and as soon as you start expressing it, you will see that that's where the creativity will flow in, that's where the resources will flow in. पर जब तक ये बिल्कुल पैक्ड है, अंदर है, एक सेंस ऑफ सफोकेशन बनता जाएगा. So we are going to go into a breakout room in between. But before we go into breakout room, there are a few techniques which are very easy and recommended in this new journey, or the journey where you have extended work hours or where you are not able to delegate the task. So number one is time block. Time block is very ideal. So for example, very simple, not itna busy nahi dikhna chahiye, but very simple, where you are dedicating a very careful time in your work hours and your balancing. So for example, यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि morning reading time and breakfast. So of course that could start at 10 a.m. as well. जैसे भी आपका routine चलता है, if you work longer hours in the night, definitely start your day at 10 or 11 a.m. But then you have blocked a time for emails, follow up, then you have blocked a time for lunch and relax. And one of the critique, which I always do in the corporate as well, कि we have created this image of good employee जो off नहीं लेता, जो working lunch करता है. But then this hour is so important, even in your startup journey where you're not supposed to report to anybody, maybe you're your own boss. But if you cannot allow yourself to claim that 1 hour of lunch, just imagine what kind of injustice it is to your startup as well, which requires all of your attention and all of your creativity. But अगर आप खुद को वो time off नहीं दे रहे हैं, how you're going to fuel back? So very careful mind, blocking of your calendar. And this can often work as a reminder. ज़रूरी नहीं कि अगर आपने मंडे को लिखा है कि वॉक करनी है तो आप वो वॉक कर भी लें. But often this will be a reminder कि ये later on करना है या अगले दिन करना है, लेकिन ये करना है. So time blockage is one of the wonderful technique. Another technique is Pomodoro technique, where you dedicate timer. So आपने एक task decide किया, and this is for someone जिसको जो multitask कर रहे हैं, and then they do several things and they are not able to finish anything at the day end. So you decide a task and you set a timer for 25 minutes. For 25 minutes, you focus just on that task, and then you take a 5 minutes break. So usually ये जो technique है इसको हम कहते हैं कि like ये 4 times repeat होता है. So for example, you have a 4 sets of 25 minute, but in between you also have a 20 minutes break, 5 minutes के उसके अंदर. This allow you to detach from the other to-do list जो हमारे दिमाग में हर वक्त चल रही है, चाहे वो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ से रिलेटेड है, चाहे वो पर्सनल लाइफ से रिलेटेड है. सो एक टास्क, डेडिकेटेड आवर, एंड देन यू रिपीट दिस साइकिल, एंड एट द एंड यू आर एबल टू फिनिश a task at least by 80% or by 90%. So that becomes a great motivation within yourself कि yeah, I was able to do this. चाहे आप उस टाइम में सिर्फ रिसर्च कर रहे हो related to that task, but you are setting yourself for the next 25 minutes. So उसमें ये आपको एक motivation मिलती जाती है कि you are doing something, and that keeps you going. And another important technique is this framework, where every day you start by creating this framework: urgent, not urgent, important, and not important. This is a wonderful technique which allows you to delegate your tasks. So for example, tasks which are important and urgent, you will mark it as to do, and which you would like to do in a day. Like अगर आपने आज के दिन में ये बनाया है, so ये आपने आज के दिन पे ही करना है. So ये framework usually procrastination को reduce करता है, where you're not just looking at the task, where you're just not making the list. आप सिर्फ सोच नहीं रहे कि मुझे ये करना है, but you end up doing it. Tasks which are important but not urgent, schedule it for later in a week or next week. Tasks which are not important but urgent, so उसको delegate करना शुरू करें, जहाँ पे you can trust that other people can do it. And this can become a very fine framework to also see that other people in your team, what kind of resources and capacity do they have. And then slowly you will feel the tasks which are important and urgent, you can start delegating those tasks as well. And similarly, the tasks which are not important and not urgent, simply eliminate. और इसमें अक्सर कुछ मीटिंग्स भी होती हैं जहाँ पे हम नो नहीं कह पाते, हम हाँ कह देते हैं, बट हमें अंदाज़ा होता है कि इसका कोई आउटकम नहीं निकलना. This is not going to add anything. So this becomes a very good matrix to say no as well, to build the boundaries, to set up task in a manner where you feel you are achieved as well, you have other people with you as well, you are delegating the task, and you are able to say no to like things which you feel are not important. So maybe sometimes you're invited to any networking event, but that's not relevant to you at all. So it's not important to show your face everywhere, being a startup founder, being in this community. Maybe you decide that no, I'm going to delegate this to somebody else, and I'm going to take this time for myself. So it is very important when you use any of this technique. और इसमें जो सबसे ज़्यादा important है वो ये कि to see that what is challenging, what becomes a challenge to use any of the technique. So हम अक्सर इसको जो है ना वो रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं कर पाते कि चैलेंज क्या है, why am I not able to work. So here I'm going to request Talia if we can do um, a breakout room. And in the breakout room, I would really like you all to explore that, like, what are the practical time management techniques which you would like to include in your everyday routine, which you feel this will work best for me. और हो सकता है इन 3 टेक्निक्स के अलावा कोई और टेक्निक्स है जो आपके पास है, या कोई और फॉर्मेट है जो आप करंटली यूज़ करते हैं. सो just talk about कि कौन सा biggest challenge है for you to practice task delegation and time management, and what could be the practical techniques to counter that. And of course do discuss कि ये जो तीनों techniques अभी हमने यहाँ पे अपनी स्क्रीन पे देखी है जिसके बारे में आपने सुना है, which of the technique you feel कि ये मेरे रूटीन के अंदर सबसे अच्छी रहेगी and you are going to practice it from today or tomorrow. So we are going to go into the breakout room for 10 minutes, and I would request that delegate a person in the breakout room who will come back and just share in 1 minute that what was the discussion around in your breakout room and what action item you are deciding for yourself.
Sonal, just give me a minute. I'm just making it. ठीक है?
Sure. So you have invitation for your breakout room. Please join the breakout room, and I
Guys,
highly
sorry,
please.
Sonal.
No, it's okay. Please unmute and talk.
गाइस प्लीज अपने ब्रेकआउट रूम्स ज्वाइन कर लें आप लोग. सिद्रा, आपने अभी तक ब्रेकआउट रूम ज्वाइन नहीं किया है. जहां तक आपका भी है. एमलाक, आपने भी अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं किया है. प्लीज. अली रजा, रेहान हैदर, अजीम अपने रूम में अकेले ब्रेकआउट रूम में. सिद्रा, प्लीज ज्वाइन. जुहाद, सिद्रा, यासिर, मोहम्मद, प्लीज ज्वाइन योर ब्रेकआउट रूम्स. अली रजा, आपने भी अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं किया है.
अच्छा, जो ब्रेकआउट रूम में फॉर एनी रीजन नहीं ज्वाइन कर पा रहे, यू कैन ऑल्सो डिस्कस हियर एज वेल. रिहान, सिद्रा, मोहम्मद, जाताब. we can also talk about it. How's your routine? How is your time management? I'm sure it's equally challenging. Talia, how do you manage your time?
फ्रेंकली सोनल करंटली काफी ज्यादा बिजी चल रहा है, एक तो रमजान, फिर ऑफिस एंड देन अदर एक्टिविटीज मैंने कुछ ज्वाइन की हुई थी, तो इट्स लाइक क्या बोलूं, बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है आजकल। ऐसा लगता है नींद के लिए वक्त नहीं बच रहा। और फिर घर के काम भी होते हैं ऑब्वियसली,
And
आप तो लुक आफ्टर, तो अम्मी और
yeah,
अबू को भी देखना होता है, तो इट्स क्वाइट टफ। रमजान इज वेरी टफ।
so if you have to, yeah, if you have to use any of these three techniques, आप कौन सी use करेंगी? Which will fit best for you?
मैं ये 25 मिनट्स वाला जरूर, आई वुड लव टू ट्राई दिस। मैंने अभी तक किया नहीं है, आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट इट अ लॉट, लेकिन
होगा।
मैं ये करूंगी। आई विल श्योरली डू इट। वरना प्रायोरिटी टास्क तो मैं कर लेती हूँ,
Yeah,
प्रायोरिटाइज कर लेती हूँ, वो तो हम लोग नॉर्मली कर ही रहे होते हैं चीजों को। बट वो एक काम है जो मुझे लगता है कि 25 मिनट्स ऑफ फोकस वाला, आई हैव टू ट्राई दैट।
yeah,
वी विल कॉल देम बाय वन,
wonderful.
राइट? इन लोग के रूम्स पे मैं वन वन पे मैं बंद कर दूंगी।
Yeah, I think people are coming back. Yasir and Abba, you had a good discussion in your breakout rooms.
दे आर इन देयर ब्रेकआउट रूम्स एक्चुअली।
Oh, I see them here.
दो डिवाइसेस से तो लॉग इन नहीं हुए।
I don't know. Yasir, can you hear me? आपने लिखा था you try to do multiple tasks. So which tech follow? SMART goals. Okay. Yeah. Or you were alone in the room. So sorry.
यस, यासिर के साथ किसी ने ज्वाइन नहीं किया, रूम वन वाले लोगों ने। इट्स ओके यासिर, इट हैपेंस।
Yeah. And Abba, you do the to-do list. And how do you prioritize कि कौन सा काम पहले करना है, कौन सा किसी और को दे देना है? I think it is very important. Yeah, when you make a to-do list, also start identifying where are the other resources, like who can pitch in, who can support, who can take a task. And that's very important because in the beginning, there is so much, so much. And when I say beginning, it's not mean that your startup beginning, but generally it means that the beginning of incubation journey as well. There are big frameworks, there are a lot of things to think, reflect, or वहाँ पे we can always bring resources, and there is no harm in bringing resources. Mm. Wonderful, yeah. Okay, Sidra, are you with us? Can you write in the chat box, how's your time management? In Ramzan, it's so tricky to engage people, especially virtually. Saad, welcome back. How was the discussion in your room?
The room was quite silent.
Yeah, that's what everybody is mentioning, that the people were quiet or I was alone. But okay, which technique you currently following, or which one would you like to adopt?
I forgot what was the question. There was a silence for a few minutes. I was waiting over there. I thought, I don't know what was happening over there.
ओके सो कौन सी
Yeah.
टेक्निक आपको लगता है कि आपके वर्क स्केड्यूल में सबसे बेस्ट है? टाइम ब्लॉकिंग, पोमोडोरो और फ्रेमवर्क?
ये टाइम ब्लॉकिंग वाली जो चीज़ें वो आई थिंक ज़्यादा फायदेमंद रहती है कि आप किसी भी चीज़ के लिए जो है वो पहले से आप टाइम ब्लॉक कर लें और उस स्पेसिफिक टाइम पे उसी चीज़ को टेकअप करके क्लोज करें। ये चीज़ जो है ना बहुत फायदेमंद रहती है। इसके ऊपर मैंने मल्टीपल टाइम एक्सपेरिमेंट भी किए और मैंने मल्टीपल जो मैंने सक्सेस फाउंडर्स देखे हैं, CEOs देखे कंपनी के, उनके जो कैलेंडर्स होते हैं वो फुली मतलब इतने ज़बरदस्त होते हैं कि 25-25 मिनट की जो मीटिंग के स्केड्यूल से वो फिल हुए होते हैं और उन्होंने अपना टास्क प्लान किया होता है कि यार अगले 25 मिनट ये करना है और उनके अगले 3 दिन के पूरे कैलेंडर फुल होता है। आपको मीटिंग के लिए टाइम ही नहीं मिलेगा अगले 3 दिन तक उनके
That's
साथ,
true.
राइट?
That's true. And technically, that's ideal.
हम्म
Ideal in a way where you are easily able to set a boundary that this is my family time. I'm not going to take calls in this, or this is my time where I'm going to learn a new skill and I'm not gonna miss it out. So few things like of course time blocking definitely give you a space to grow.
हम्म
Okay, Talia, we can I think end the breakout room, bring everybody back.
इट्स
Not
जस्ट 17 सेकेंड लेफ्ट, वो मैंने बंद कर दिया है, वो
okay.
क्लोज होने से पहले सेकंड्स ले रहा है, तो वो बस उसी के क्लोजर में है।
Okay, wonderful.
Are you all back to the session?
Not yet. I think there are 9 people.
Let me check.
I think most of the people are here. We were 15. Okay, anyone who would like to share if you had any discussion in your breakout room or personally, which technique do you feel you would like to start? And also start reflecting कि what stops you from delegating the task के कौन सी चीज़ें जो आपको रोकती है और whenever we are talking about startup founders, of course leadership is your core skills, चाहे आप टेक के उसमें हैं या कोई और सर्विस या प्रोडक्ट्स के उसमें फिट इन होते हैं but your leadership skill is something which has driven you to so far. So as a leadership skill, one of the beautiful leadership skill is to making more co-leaders and to make sure that other people are growing with you. So if you have other human resources in your team, one of the core responsibilities is to create co-leaders. And अगर हम पाकिस्तान के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में और यूथ लीडरशिप के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में देखेंगे सो वन ऑफ द ड्रॉबैक इसके लेगेसी पास ऑन करने की जब हम बात करते हैं so a lot of people who did wonderful work were not able to create a co-leader. And in terms of legacy, we only have footprint of their work, but we do not have any existing leaders in many cases जो कि उस leadership के impression को continue रख सके. So one thing I feel as a startup founder, it's very important that you start creating co-leaders and you make sure that whenever it comes to legacy, that there is not just your organizational name or footprint which will continue the legacy, but there is another living human who's able to continue your leadership and is even able to grow what you have taught them or what you have showed to the world. So जब भी हम wellness की बात करते हैं, there are so many strategies to balance the work in your life. Like, it is very important. Nobody else can tell you. I can tell you a lot of things, but I do not know your routine. So अगर आपके रूटीन में एक वॉक करना भी मुश्किल लगता है, So even if I tell you कि 10 मिनट की वॉक करें, आपको वो एक एडिड टास्क लगेगा. You will find it as additional burden, or you find it unnecessary. So whenever we in the world of therapy, counseling, life coaching, we ask the person, whatever you are doing, if it is compassionate enough, then how do you make sure that you are going to fuel yourself as well? So some of the techniques which are very easy is that, number one is belief that there is no sense of scarcity. सबसे पहले it is very important to eliminate that sense of scarcity कि कुछ ठीक नहीं हो रहा, कुछ भी नहीं है, other people are growing, I'm not growing, and it is a very temporary state. And just telling कि this is this is not a personal failure. इसमें you have enough capacity, you can grow anytime, every time. So not taking it personal. Giving yourself permission to rest, चाहे वो rest आपको एक lunch का 1 hour का break लगता है, या आपको ये लगता है कि after 7 p.m. I'm not going to look at the screen, I'm not going to take any calls. Growth mindset, where you are not following a pattern and you are a very firm believer of a certain pattern as well, but rather you allow yourself that things can happen in different manner as well. I can try different pattern of working as well. I can try different other creative ways as well. Mindfulness, where you allow yourself to be very present, that even when you are on the call, stay there. Mindfulness का एक ही बस simple rule है, जहाँ पर है वहाँ रहें. So अगर अभी आप इस session में, just stay here. Do not do any other task क्योंकि आप screens पे हैं. Do not just put phone on side and think about anything else. It will again result in the same temporary burnout. So mindfulness is very simple. Wherever you are, whatever task you are doing, stay there. अगर आपको कोई policy बनानी है, so at that moment just stay on that policy. Do not think about other to-do lists. So simple. Mindfulness living is very much like आप बस present में उस moment में. Building and being in the community. Do not always see other people as a competition, but thrive in the community, stay in the community. Boundaries, very important. Set your boundaries, what you are offering, how many times you are offering, are you supposed to offer that? And boundaries in the current time is becoming a very negative connotation, but boundaries can come in a very simple format, as simple as saying कि यार मैं 1 to 2 lunch break के अंदर I do not do working lunch. I simply take this time off. और ये बहुत shocking लगता है कुछ लोगों को, but then it is a beautiful practice to respecting yourself and your time. Self-compassion and changing the way that is growing. So compassion in the beginning of the journey will look very different. शुरुआत में वो बहुत अलग लगेगा, but बाद में वो बहुत अलग लगेगा, and allowing yourself to be moving in your journey of compassion and talking to yourself, how many times do you allow yourself to sit just with yourself without cell phone, without any other interaction, just being with yourself and just reflection. So highly recommended, start with 1 or 2 strategies in your life, and you will see that this will eventually become a very powerful practice. जब भी हम किसी भी successful founders की बात करते हैं, आपको एक चीज़ बहुत commonly नज़र आएगी कि they are very respectable of their own personal time. फिर वो चाहे personal time सुबह की running है, चाहे वो personal time family time है, but they really respect that. और हो सकता है उनकी journey में भी they started practicing it later on, but eventually they realize that this is the key, this is the core. And even in your journey, 24/7 busy may look makes you look good in the startup community, but in the end, to yourself, you will be becoming very drained. And to give fueling to yourself, it is very important to practice some of these things. Or whenever you are in the middle of the task, and in the middle of the task where you feel that things are very difficult, I'm not able to do it. So one of the very important thing is to take a very mindful few breaths, and we are going to do a mindful exercise in a while as well. Acknowledge how are you feeling. Again, a sense of vulnerability, and it is fine to be vulnerable. So allowing yourself, yeah, I felt I was able to pitch it, but I'm not able to pitch it. I'm not able to write this grant. I'm not able to convince people. What's not working? How do I feel about certain event? So ये जो सारी चीज़ें मैंने अभी कही हैं वो events हैं. उन इवेंट से रिलेटेड मेरे इमोशन कैसे हैं. डू आई फील नर्वस? डू आई फील डिमोटिवेटेड? डू आई फील एंशियस? एक्नॉलेजिंग दैट फीलिंग. एज सून एज यू एक्नॉलेज दैट फीलिंग कि मेरी बॉडी में ये हो रहा है, you allow yourself to work around it. But when you're not taking a pause, you're not acknowledging, you're just running. और फिर वो सारी feelings बड़ी होके like you know that simply crash you down. Connect with your emotion without judging them, name them, and then again the compassion you extend to other people, to communities, extend it to yourself. So right now I understand कुछ लोग ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, कुछ अपने ऑफिस में, कुछ ऐसे इन्वायरमेंट्स में जहाँ पे यू आर नॉट एबल टू टर्न द कैमरा ऑन. वी आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस अ लिटिल माइंडफुल एक्सरसाइज. And for that, I'll allow you, I request you, wherever you are, if you can close your eyes, close your eyes, hold nothing in your hand. Your hands should be free. Usually आपके जो पाँव हैं वो ग्राउंड को टच करने चाहिए, जिसको हम कहते हैं बैलेंस पोजिशन. योर फीट्स ऑन द ग्राउंड, योर हैंड्स फ्री, एंड allow yourself to dive into it without judging. कि ओ ये क्या हो रहा है, अब मैं ये करूँ. नहीं, don't judge yourself, and it is fine. We are just going to practice this for 2 to 3 minutes. If you are comfortable, you keep your cameras on. If you're not comfortable, you can even close your cameras. But slowly, slowly, I allow you to move your hands, just free, relax, keep them relaxed. Close your eyes and take a good deep breath. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Wherever you are, maybe your eyes are open. Try to listen it with very mindfulness. Stay in the moment, and we are going to take one more breath. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Bring all the attention to yourself right now. Relax your shoulders, relax your arms, and just stay with yourself. Close your eyes, or maybe just pay attention to this voice, and just stay with you, with your nervous system, very focused. Shoulder relaxed, arm relaxed. Slowly, slowly start bringing attention to yourself. अपना सारा ध्यान, सारी तवज्जो खुद पे ले आएं. Just see how you are feeling in your body right now. इस वक्त आप अपने अंदर कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? Is there any stress? Are your shoulders heavy? Keep breathing. Start scanning that where do I hold the stress? Is it in my arms? Is it in my feet? Is it in my gut? And how am I feeling right now? Detach yourself from all the to-do list, all the focus on your body. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Just give yourself a sense of abundance. You have a lot. You're doing well. You have people to support you. There is enough in this space. You're growing. Recall your sense of joy. Recall your sense why you started what you started. Feel the connection to your purpose. Recall your purpose 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. While you recall your purpose, why you started what you started, just see how's the feeling in your body. So जब आप याद करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि आपने अपना स्टार्टअप, आपका प्रोडक्ट, आपकी सर्विस क्यों शुरू की थी, how do you feel in your body? Just try to connect to that reason. खुद को दोबारा उस रीजन से कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करें. Keep breathing. Think of all the achievements you have achieved so far. It could be as small as starting the company, It could be as big as securing the funding. And slowly, slowly tell yourself, my journey is different. I'm on the right track. And I allow myself to rest. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bring all the attention to your body again. Allow yourself to open your eyes and come back to the space. So it may be difficult for a lot of people to close eyes, bring all the attention, but even if you try, do it for 2 minutes, you will see that at least you are able to detach with whatever is happening, बहुत कुछ चल रहा होगा आपके space में, and then bring the focus back to what you're supposed to do. So another important technique is this template, जिसको हम कहते हैं wheel of goals. So इसमें simply ये template किस तरीके से workout करता है कि आप अपने week के goals रख लेते हैं. So like, simply goal 1, goal 2, goal 3, goal 4. Your goal 1 could be as simple as कि I'm going to take a 5 minutes walk. Your goal 2 could be again, I'm going to allow somebody else to take a task. I'm going to say no to whatever unimportant thing. So जैसे जैसे आप उस task को करते जाते हैं, so for example, you say that your goal 1 was to reach out to a friend or family member just to see how they are doing. So just to allow yourself that you are human and you can talk to people. When you're done with that task, just remove a pie. So for example, this pie is removed. You say like, making more eye contact when I'm listening. This may sound very small, but this is very important. Okay, how many times we make eye contact when we are listening or in a conversation? So when you say that, yeah, consciously I was making eye contact, remove a pie. So आपके ये छोटे छोटे tasks आप देखेंगे कि week के end में you are going to have a beautiful scenery, and this allows you to give a sense that you achieved something. Like, very small sense कि हाँ, I am able to do small tasks as well, and then you will have a beautiful scenery. So you're going to receive this template, you're going to receive this presentation as well. And I ask you to like, start practicing this. A very simple thing, आप इसको print करके भी रख सकते हैं. You can have a digital version or any version. But what happens that when you have a small goals and you repeat it, you give yourself a sense that number one, I'm able to bring a balance in my work life and my professional life. Number two, that yeah, it could be very small gestures. It doesn't have to be expensive retreat to claim my wellness, but it could be very simple and small things as well. And this allows you to also give you a sense of joy that as my title, as my identity of founder, I have identity of being a boy, being a son, being a daughter, being just a girl, and around that, how I can do a lot of things in my other identities as well. So keeping a balance that where your founder identity remains as your founder identity, but allow you to practice your other identities as well. So अक्सर हम अपनी उस आइडेंटिटी को ही मैक्सअप करना शुरू कर देते हैं. Now, just a last tool, we have very limited time. So one thing which I really believe, अगर आप अपने स्टार्टअप की वैल्यूज बना रहे हैं, आप अपने लोगों के लिए वैल्यूज बना रहे हैं, अपने लिए बना रहे हैं, अगर उस स्टार्टअप की वैल्यू के अंदर माइंडफुलनेस, वेलबींग, वेलनेस इज नॉट देयर, देन ऑल ऑफ दिस विल लुक लाइक अ लग्जरी. आपको लगेगा ये तो लग्जरी है, आराम कौन करता है यार, ये कौन करता है, ये तो बहुत मतलब वंस इन अ वाइल वाली चीज़ है. पर जब आपकी वैल्यू में वेलबींग है, जब आपके स्टार्टअप की वैल्यू में, आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ में, आपके अपने लिए आपने वैल्यूज में जो है ना वेलनेस को या क्लेमिंग सेल्फ टाइम, सेल्फ केयर को रखा है, सो दिस ऑल इज नॉट लग्जरी. देन यू विल फील कि हाँ, दुनिया ऑपरेट इसी पे होती है. दिस इज द बेसिक नेसेसिटी ऑफ बीइंग अ ह्यूमन, एंड देन अवर अदर आइडेंटिटीज कम. और यहाँ पे फिर एक पूरा फ्रेमवर्क है विच इज़ फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, विच इज़ for you to see that how you're going to incorporate mental health and well-being in your organization. So for example, अगर आपने लिखा है कि आपका key objective है, ज़रूरी नहीं आपके 5 objective हो, but very simple where you say foster a culture of help or help seeking behavior. अक्सर स्टार्टअप्स में या ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में इसको जो है वो अप्रिशिएट नहीं किया जाता. तो अ लॉट ऑफ बर्डन कम्स फ्रॉम जस्ट विद दिस सेंस कि ये काम मुझे करना है और खुद ही करना है. Now we have ChatGPT जहाँ पे हम easily जाके लिख सकते हैं, but nothing can replace a human interaction. So अगर आपका objective में है कि I want to foster a culture of help seeking, then उसके लिए आप कौन से initiatives लेंगे? Are you going to put some posters around? Are you going to put a message around this in your teams group? आप क्या करने वाले हैं? So for example, अगर आपने कहा है कि reducing stigma associated to mental health and well-being challenges, a lot of people will even hesitate to come and say, "Yeah, I feel stress, I feel uncertainty, I feel anxious." But maybe like, it is fine. This is one of your objectives कि मेरी startup में या मेरी team के अंदर at least people should not feel, if they feel that they are feeling a lot of anxiety, stress, they are not able to focus, there should be resources for them. And it could be simply that maybe you have a as a perk, as a benefit to your employees, you have a psychologist on board. Maybe you have a, out of 3 casual leave, 1 day is the mental health well-being leave. So a lot of different initiatives can be taken. So I highly appreciate that do talk, that खुद से reflection करें, खुद से बात करें कि क्या मेरे startup की और मेरे organization की और मेरी अपनी personal life में क्या well-being एक value है? अगर नहीं है, you will eventually come to it. But hard lesson learn करके आने से बेहतर है कि we start incorporating this just to feel for yourself and for other people supported, included, and empowered. And this is a very beautiful template which you will have it after this call, and you can start filling out. You can also fill it for yourself as well, not just for your organization, but for yourself as well. That, yeah, for myself, what is the key objective and what initiatives am I taking? Who is responsible? When this is going to happen? ज़रूरी नहीं 5 objective हो, एक objective से start करें, but start valuing that you have other identities as well, and those identity requires your equal time, and just allow yourself to be a calm person, to be a focused person. And there's so many things, and there is no harm, nothing will harm your image of a founder if you claim your well-being time. In fact, that is further going to promote or enhance your creativity within your journey. So unfortunately, we had a very due to the technical challenge, we lost a lot of time, so I have to skip 1 or 2 things. But hopefully you're taking away something from this session, or kuch nahi, maybe you're taking away a realization that you need to tap into your mental health and well-being strategy. And if you want, like anywhere in your journey, if you seek a life coach or you want a life coach counseling session, feel free to reach out. Thank you so much, Talia and National Incubation Center, for engaging me. I'm going to stop sharing my screen, but open the forum for any discussion. If you have any question, if you have any comments, or a checkout message, what are you taking away with you? So you can write in the chat box as well that what you are taking away as a checkout note.
Any
Anyone?
questions? I guess nobody has any. Okay, guys. Just a quick thing. एक पिक्चर हो जाए, ग्रुप फोटो. अगर आप लोग अपने अपने कैमरास ऑन कर लें तो इट विल बी ग्रेट.
You can also start putting a checkout note, what you are taking away, maybe one reflection or one thing we are going to practice in the chat box. And of course, if you can either put the logos of your startup or turn the camera on, we will take a picture.
ओके, रेडी. साथ आप अपना कैमरा ऑन कर रहे हैं.